right here.
What piece of wood?
This right here. So it'll be even with that one. Wasn't it like 74? I think it was 74 or something.
I thought you were painting something.
I am, but we gotta do this too, so I was gonna do it all within seconds. Oh, 70.
Oh, when there's a lot of light in your clothes, it's pretty amazing.
73. Okay, 73 then.
What you want, you got it. So good.
Do we need to paint the whole ceiling? Because couldn't we just
Paint the spots?
paint that?
I think you'll end up wanting to paint all of it.
That.
And it wouldn't be hard to paint all of it. Just paint it all.
Mm.
Yeah, why wouldn't you? That seems...
Paint.
You have spots? No, you gotta paint it all. What are you doing? What are you painting right
I'm
now?
gonna paint this trim because I got this white paint.
My name is Davey, life got crazy, I used to get around. Mama missed a baby, now I'm back in town. On the Carter's tiny homestead.
Mom, this is a black color.
Oh! I know where some white paint is. Hold on. Oh, it is
Oh, and
black.
it's blue. No, it's blue. Oh, this is a pretty navy blue.
We did get that on purpose, didn't we?
Yeah, but for what?
I never, but let me go get the white out of the back.
We'll get it nailed it. How are you gonna get that thing back there?
What thing?
The wall back together.
After it dries, we can nail it.
Here, if you put this closer, you can get closer to the bottom of the floor. This thing reminds me of a diaper.
Yeah. Can get it.
This thing has flash, but I don't know how to turn it on.
I kind of want to paint that white, but I don't know if it'll turn out. Why not? I should get a rag, then I can just wipe it.
That whole area needs some caulking.
Yep. I can get some white stuff when I go get the baseboard. Look at all that you endured. This man, you know he had tons of money. He got Nobel Peace Prizes and everything. And I think his wife knew he was doing it. They said they didn't know if the wife knew. She was walking around. He said he was a train porter, but she was wearing furs.
Mm-hmm.
Okay. You know I know.
But didn't everyone wear furs then, though?
But you know I know train porter can afford no fur.
Why not?
Because they were making like cents an hour.
Oh,
And they had 6 kids.
that's true.
And she didn't work. She know he had to be doing something. So I think she might have knew he was white. But in those days, if she had married a white man, she would have been ostracized by the black community. And she couldn't go into the white community.
Yeah.
So she probably had to go along. He probably told her, "Hey, chick, I'm white." Probably after they dated for a while, she's paying my new life.
Yeah.
Probably after they dated for a while, he was like, "I'm white," and she was like, "Okay, it is what it is."
You didn't think I knew? I saw the privilege in your eyes.
Well, he had blue eyes and red hair, but they said back then, you know, if you have a drop, then that made you black. So he probably just pretended like, "Oh, I have a drop. I'm a red-haired, blue-eyed man running around the ghetto talking about I'm black." Well, remember that one lady who became president of NWCA?
There were some people that felt that you never identified yourself as white. So, like when you went to Howard University, maybe the scholarship or we got admitted to Howard, that took an opportunity from a black woman. So you feel that you walked the walk of a black woman?
Absolutely. Is there a singular experience? The police marked black on my traffic tickets.
Wait, they what? They what?
For her, and then they found out she ain't even black. Oh man, is she in trouble? They was still going after her to this day.
Oh, why? She lied about something?
Yeah, she said she was black and she really isn't.
Did she know it?
Yeah, both her parents are white. And she became president of a chapter of the NWCA. And when they found out,
Oh, why'd she lie about it? Because she wanted to be a part
because
of
she
it?
wanted to be in it. Oh, the black people were so mad about it.
Have you ever used it?
Look how ugly that is.
What?
That faucet.
Paint it.
Do you think that'll make it look better?
No.
No, and it's got that hole there.
Oh, it looks rustic.
It looks rust, all right. I just want to talk crap.
About what?
Well, no, because you got it on camera. But see how this moves? Look at this.
Mm-hmm.
Reggie got the money on Detroit just to do that.
We'll tell Reg to put this one in.
No, I told him, can he fix it? He said because you got to use the right fingers. So let's, Scotty, get your butt out.
Yo, bust it in.
Little bad guy. Maybe I'm going to have to put this contact paper for real because to hide this.
You can see that it's pink in the shadow. I mean, darker.
In the darkness. How will that look, I wonder?
And today's the day we're painting the ceiling. We'll be recoloring it, surfacing the beauty that is. We are painting the bathroom ceiling finally. Getting closer to finishing our bathroom remodel. It's getting there. Whatever you want from me, baby. I should have stayed at home. I was doing better alone. And then you said hello. I was your number one.
You gonna paint your overalls?
Whatever you want from me, baby.
I'm giving them the spicy chicken for dinner.
What are they gonna have for lunch?
Oh, I'm probably gonna feed them
Poison.
hopes and dreams.
Where's that paint sticky at?
Oh,
And I'm gonna need me a stool to stand upon. I feel like that should be enough for the ceiling.
I'm the ideas person. You're the laborer. We can't make it happen without you.
Dang it, look, I'm getting all over the place.
Yeah, we should take that off and we can spray paint it.
Oh,
I can spray paint it white. Well, you can paint, and then we'll take it off and spray paint it white. Oh, look at that. Oh, look at that. Look at that. Look at all this ice cream.
Okay. You're all the way around it then? Yeah.
Yep.
Scott!
Take my baby, come on with me. Be cool. No. And then, baby. David, I have an issue. I don't think I should put this chair in there because I don't want to tear up the floor.
What are you gonna do about it?
I guess you're going to have to be on your tiptoes and get in there. I'm going to have to clean it. So I can do this alright. Oh yeah, we still gotta do the medicine cabinet, huh? I can probably do that one by myself though. I'm just gonna clean it.
Is the ceiling done?
Yeah, it's just around the...
Look at that mess you made!
That's what I'm saying. I was having a conversation with you about it and you was like... I was trying to tell you.
With the camera so they can see what mess you made.
I was trying to tell you what happened. Yeah, but do you see what I went for? Now you gotta do the other side. You have to paint the brown white.
Why'd you do that?
Because it looks nice. You gotta just use your expertisioso.
I need more paint on this. Maybe I should use the roller.
You can't get close enough. Oh my goodness.
I'm gonna name this episode How to Paint Tile.
Yep, that corner is almost Then actually after we go, the groomer will come get you and then we'll go to that Roseville car lot and look around and see what we see.